How to copy and paste on your Mac. So firstly, open for example your notes and select the text which you want to copy. Once my text is selected, on your keyboard press Command plus C like copy. Then select where you want to paste this text. And next step is to press on your keyboard Command plus V. So press it and it will paste the selected or copied text. Another way how to do it is to just select the text, right click, and here click on paste. Now select the place where you want to paste it, right click and click on paste. So it's that simple. In this way you can also copy, for example, the image, select it, Command plus C, and you can go to your notes, for example, press Command plus V, and as you can see, it was successfully pasted. So it's that easy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.